Hey guys, how's it going? So another update on the Jubilee here. As you can see, I am quite far ahead now. So I actually just got the left tire here that was just sitting right there. That's going up to the shop and I'm gonna get that unloaded tomorrow, hopefully. And yeah, as you can see, the steering gearbox is off. And this, now we can see into the bell housing where the clutch is. If I can angle that in there. As you can see, there's the clutch and the throwout bearing. And yeah, there is some, if I can get it to focus in there. Yeah, there's some leakage from the input shaft seal. So yeah, gonna have to split it to fix that. Just put that back on. And now, what this video is about is the steering shaft, or the steering box rebuild. So yeah, here, there's a small bearing here, which is this is pretty short. The bearing in there is like gone, and the top bearing, which is right here, I just actually drove this new race in. That bearing that was in there completely ate itself, so yeah, that's why I was having trouble steering left for some reason. So yeah, here's the old race, and yeah, it's kind of rusted and pitted, so I wanted to get that changed. So that's changed, and here's the new bearing for that. And then the lower bearing, which is on the ball nut, actually looks pretty good. I put some grease on it, and yeah, it looks really good actually. And same with the race in the bottom of the steering box. That looks really good. Just take a look in there. It's too dark, but yeah, anyway, that's really good. There was lots of sludge in there, which I've cleaned out. I got the seals out, which is seal there, and then the same on the other side. There'd be a seal there. And then there's two O-rings. There's an O-ring on this, and the same on the other side, and then there's some small O-rings that go right here. So I got to replace all them. Here's the sector gears. There's your driver, closest to the driver's side, the front one, or the rear one, I guess. And then this one would be to the engine, the front. Yeah. So gotta clean those up still. I have degreased this and wire wheeled it, but I need to do some more on it. I don't know if I'll sandblast it or not. Not sure yet. If I get my wire wheel on it, it might be good enough. And yeah, I got a new one of these. So lower bearing's good. Replaced the upper bearing. And then the steering wheel bearing I gotta replace. And yeah, I just need to clean up a bit more, and then I'll start assembling. Okay, so I got the pitman arms all cleaned up, ready for primer. And also the steering column there, which the steering wheel attaches to, and all your electrical right there. Got that cleaned up the best I could. Then next will be this. Alright, as you can see, I have the steering box all put back together, and I put some paint on it, and now it steers so nice. Yeah, I just filled it up with 80 weight, I think. 80 weight gear oil, I'm pretty sure. That's what I just put in it. Yeah, filled it right up. And I filled it to here with the housing piece off. The tube part is off, so I filled it right up to there. And then I put it back together, and I looked online, and apparently you can fill it through the top of there to fill it right up to cover this bottom bearing here. That's the problem. That's what happened with this. This wasn't getting oil because it leaked out of here, and that's what happened is my bearing chewed itself up because that wasn't getting lubricated, I guess. So it's all new seals, new bearings, everything is completely new in it, and it's like having power steering now. So yeah, there we go. The steering arms, the pitman arms are here, ready to go on. And now I am working on the housing. The bearing on the differential was screwed up. I think I might have showed that, I'm not sure. So we're currently working on that. We have the trumpet up at the shop. It needs completely new seals. It needs an axle. The axle outer bearing needs to be replaced as well. And the brakes also need to be done. So I'm currently working on that. And I will be hopefully updating you on that as well. And this is this current situation, how it's looking here. Yeah, hopefully by next week I'll have that bearing all wrapped up. So yeah, this is just a wrap up on the steering box video. I didn't really record much of rebuilding it because it is kind of finicky. I've had to do it 3 times now, putting it all back together and stuff. I kind of just want to get it done, you know. So anyway, hope you liked that, and thanks for watching.